Hello, my name is Renato Macienzo, and I am helping the FCD program. I am the one teaching them welding, the skills in the FCD. I'm also helping the team in Bible studies and devotion with our boys.
Isa sa mga nagtuturo ng welding dito sa FCD at nagtuturo din ako ng discipleship sa mga bata tuwing umaga at sa hapon yun. Nagtuturo naman ng welding.
Ako po ang dorm counselor ng FCD. Nakita ko kung paano kumilos ang Panginoon. Una, kung paano niya pinakilala ang kanyang sarili through Bible studies, devotion, and community sharing. Pangalawa, kung paano niya binago ang puso ng bawat estudyante na ma-evalue nila ang bawat isa at ituring na kapatid.
Habang nandito pa sila, nag-iiba na agad yung nila, yung pananaw, pag-iisip, pananaw tungkol sa mundo. Yun ang nagiging epekto ng pagtuturo namin.
It's amazing how God is changing the lives of our students and see them growing not only in the faith but also in their lives.
Marami akong nasaksihan na paano binago ng Diyos ang mga buhay nila. At yung iba, hindi naman nagamit yung pag-welding pero naging pastor.
I saw many graduate who is now very successful in life. I want to praise the Lord for their lives and how God is still working and moving in our lives. And now I am not only a teacher, but I also a pastor in a small church. And God is still working with me. And I thank God for that. So salamat po sa Diyos.